Okay, next we go. The next part of the chapter, that one is reducing equation to simpler form. Okay, first question like this: solve 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 by 6. Okay, what is the difference of the previous and this? The ideas are same. We need to take the variables on the one side and the numbers on the other side. What is the difference? The difference is here is given this one in the form of fractions, correct? And here the terms are mixed, it is not separate. The x term is not separate and constants are not separate, correct? It's a 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 by 6. The both side of equality sign contain the variable containing terms and variable non-containing terms, correct? And here is a by 3 the common of 6x plus 1 and is by 6 is a common of x minus 3. Then it is not possible to take the variable containing term separately in one side now and the variable not containing term separately in the other side. Because it's a common divided by. It is separate like this: 6x by 3 plus 1 by 3 and x by 6 minus 3 by 6 like that is a separating division. Then it's possible to take the variable containing term in one side and the non-containing term in the other side. Clear? What is that? എന്താണ് മക്കളെ പറഞ്ഞത്? ഇത് തമ്മിൽ ചെയ്യേണ്ട കാര്യങ്ങളിലൊന്നും വ്യത്യാസമില്ല, ചെയ്യേണ്ടതൊക്കെ ഒരുപോലെ തന്നെയാണ്. പക്ഷെ ഫസ്റ്റ് എന്താണ് വ്യത്യാസം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, ഇവിടെ ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് വാരിയബിൾ ഉള്ള ടേമും ഇല്ലാത്ത ടേമും കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് ഏതുകൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു? 3 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു അല്ലേ? അതുപോലെ RHSലും വാരിയബിൾ ഉള്ള ടേമിനെയും ഇല്ലാത്ത ടേമിനെയും കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് ഏതുകൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു? 6 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് ടൈം ഈസ് നോട്ട് പോസിബിൾ ടു ടേക്ക് സെപ്പറേറ്റ്ലി at a time the variables in one side and non-containing term in the other side. ആ സമയത്ത് നമുക്ക് ഒറ്റയടിക്ക് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല? വാരിയബിൾസ് ഉള്ളത് ഒരു സൈഡിലേക്കും ഇല്ലാത്തത് മറ്റൊരു സൈഡിലേക്ക് മാറ്റാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റില്ല. നേരെ മറിച്ച് ഇത് തിരിച്ച് ഇങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ, ഇത് സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ആണെങ്കിൽ 6x by 3 ഒരു ടേം പ്ലസ് 1 by 3 നെക്സ്റ്റ് ടേം and this side x by 6 is one term and minus 3 by 6 is another term like that. The fraction separate ആണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? വാരിയബിൾ ഉള്ളതൊക്കെ ഒന്നിച്ചെടുക്കാം, ഇല്ലാത്തതൊക്കെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? ഒന്നിച്ചെടുക്കാം, നേരത്തെ ചെയ്തതുപോലെ. But here is not possible to take at a time to transpose variable containing term in one side and non-containing term in the other side. Clear? Then what is the next steps? Here we have one term separately is not having the form of fraction. അല്ലേ? ഇവിടെ ഒരു ടേം എന്ത് ഫോമിൽ അല്ലാതെയുണ്ട്? ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ അല്ലാതെയുണ്ട്. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ അതിനെ ആദ്യം എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? We need to make as in the form of fraction. Okay, so the first step we started like this: 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 by 6. Okay, then first we making is not necessary, just make 1 by 1. Okay, 1 by 1. The next, what is, we need to add these two. Okay, for that we need to make the denominators are equal. Denominators are equal. Then next we multiply the both numerator and denominator by 3. Correct. Then 6x plus 1, there is no change, by 3 plus 1 into 3 by 1 into 3 is equal to, here there is no other term with x minus 3 by 6. ഇവിടെ ഒരു സിംഗിൾ ടേം, ഈ ഒരു ടേം മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഇവിടെ എന്തില്ല? പ്ലസോ മൈനസോ വെച്ചിട്ട് ഒരു ടേം ഇല്ല. സോ ഇറ്റ്സ് നോട്ട് നെസസറി ടു ടേക്ക് നൗ എനിത്തിങ് there. Okay, so there is no need to take anything there. Then x minus 3 by 6, then 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 6. Okay, the next, here now the denominators are equal, so we adding the numerator 6x plus 1 plus 3. We know that what is 1 plus 3 is 4. Then we get 6x plus 4 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 6. X minus 3 by 6. Okay, the next, now we got in the both side of equality sign in the form of fraction. അല്ലേ? ഒരു ഇക്വാളിറ്റി സൈഡിന്റെ രണ്ട് സൈഡിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയ എന്താണ് മക്കളെ? ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, if we get the fraction in the both side of equality sign, Okay, there is no other term, is a common. The denominator divided by both the common numerator by 3. Here is commonly divided by 6. So these both sides we have it in the form of fraction. The next step, all the cases, the next step is cross multiplication. Okay, എന്താണ് ഇക്വാളിറ്റി സൈഡിന്റെ രണ്ട് സൈഡിൽ നമുക്ക് ഇതുപോലെ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ കംപ്ലീറ്റ്ലി ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഫോമിൽ ഒരു ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ കിട്ടിയാൽ രണ്ട് സൈഡിലും ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ then what is the next step? Cross multiplication. That means 6x plus 4 is into 6 and x minus 3 is multiplied by 3. The next step, 6 into 6x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. For equality സൈഡിന്റെ രണ്ട് സൈഡിലും ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ കയ്യിൽ അതാണ് ഉള്ളതെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് എന്താണ്? Cross multiplication. Then what is next? Next step to expand the bracket. Here is multiplying commonly by 6. Here is multiplying commonly by 3. Then expand the bracket. 6 into 6, 36x. Plus 6 into 4, 24. 3 into x, 3x. Minus 9. The next, we know that we need to take the variables in one side and numbers on the other side. So we have the two terms containing the variables, correct? Two terms containing the variable. What are they? 36 and 3x. We take 36 and 3x in one side, 24 and minus 9 in other side. Then before that we convert this one as plus minus. 36x plus 24 is equal to 3x plus minus 9. Okay, then what is next? Then here 36 is bigger one, so we take the 3x in the side of 36. 36x minus 3x is equal to, what is remaining now? Minus 9. So we take the 24 on the right side. What is the change? It is a plus 24, then is minus 24. Then what is next? 36x minus 3x. What is 36x minus 3x? That one is 33x. Minus 9 minus 24. What is minus 9 minus 24? Minus 9 minus 24 is 33. 33x minus 33x is equal to minus 33. Minus 9 minus 24 is minus 33. Therefore x is equal to minus 33 by 33. Then what is the value of x? Is equal to minus 1. So the value of x is equal to minus 1. Okay, everything is same, only the difference in the first. What is that? Here is not possible to take 6x by 3, or we not possible to keep the variable containing term and non-variable containing term transpose first. Because why? Because all the terms 6x plus 1 is together divided by 3. Here is x minus 3 is together divided by 6. It's not separating divided by the numbers. Okay, ഒറ്റ വ്യത്യാസമേ ഉള്ളൂ. എന്താണ് വ്യത്യാസം മക്കളെ? 6x plus 1 by 3 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് വാരിയബിൾ ഉള്ള ടേമിനെയും ഇല്ലാത്ത ടേമിനെയും കോമൺ ആയിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ഏതുകൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? 3 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അത് സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ആണ് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് നേരത്തെ ചെയ്ത പോലെ ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യാം. പക്ഷെ ഇവിടെ രണ്ടിനെയും ഇല്ലതിനെയും ഇല്ലാത്തതിനെയും ആ ഒരു ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് കൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ആദ്യം നേരിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റില്ല? വാരിയബിൾ ഉള്ള ടേം ഒരു സൈഡിലേക്കും ഇല്ലാത്ത ടേം മറ്റൊരു സൈഡിലേക്കും ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റില്ല. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൺലി ദ ഡിഫറൻസ്. അത് മാത്രമാണ് വ്യത്യാസം. Okay, I think you got the idea of this question. The next step of the question, solve x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Here also the equation is given in the form of fraction. Okay, but what is the difference of first and second? Here the denominators are not common. The x containing term, the variable containing term divided by separately, and the non-containing term divided by separately, correct? Is the denominator is not common to divided by the term containing by the variables and non-containing term. അല്ലെ, നേരത്തെ പോലെ അല്ല ഉള്ളത്. എന്താണ് വ്യത്യാസം മക്കളെ? ഇവിടെയുള്ള വ്യത്യാസം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് വാരിയബിൾ ഉള്ള ടേമിനെയും ഇല്ലാത്ത ടേമിനെയും നേരത്തെ കോമൺ ആയിട്ടാണ് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തത്, ഒരു നമ്പർ കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തത്. പക്ഷെ ഇവിടെ ഉള്ള ടേമിനെ സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ആയിട്ടാണ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇല്ലാത്ത ടേമിനെയും സെപ്പറേറ്റ്, രണ്ടിനെയും സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ആയിട്ടാണ് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് മറ്റൊരു നമ്പർ കൊണ്ട്. Correct. The variable containing term is separate and non-containing term is separate. So what is our first steps? We take the variables in one side and the variable not containing term in the other side. So what is next? X by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So we transpose the numbers on one side, then first we convert this one as the form of plus minus x by 2 plus minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So okay, then what is next? We transpose first the variables in one side and numbers on the other side, changing x by 3 to the side of x plus x by 2 and minus 1 by 5 in the side of 1 by 4. Okay, so what is the next? X by 2 is we doing here addition, then the time of transpose is minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4, then minus 1 by 5. Correct? Then here we need to subtract. Then for that we know we need to make the denominators are equal. അല്ലേ നമുക്ക് ഇതിന് രണ്ടിന്റെയും ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം ഈക്വൽ ആക്കണം. So for equalizing the denominator we find the LCM. Then the LCM is 2 and 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? Then what is the number is goes 2 or 3? That one is 2. 2 1 3. Then again 3 1 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Correct? LCM of x by 2 and 3 is 6. So we know how to we make the 2 as 6. നമുക്ക് എന്താക്കണം ഈ 2 നെ 6 ആക്കണം. So this is possible to make 2 as 6 by multiplying by 3. So we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3. X into 3 by 2 into 3. Minus here we need to make the 3 as 6. Then how to? Is possible if you multiply by 2. Then x into 2 by 3 into 2 is equal to. The next we need to make the 4 and 5 are equal. We know it's not possible to make 4 as 5 is to multiply by any number and the reverse also. So we find the LCM 4 5. What is the number? Is go through 4 or 5. That one is 2. Then 2 5. Again 2 1 5. Then 5 1 1. Correct? So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 is equal to 20. So we need to make 4 and 5 as 20. That's one is possible here. 1 into 5 by 4 into 5. Correct? Minus is plus. 1 into 4 by 5 into 4. I think you got this. Why? For to make 4 as 20 we need to multiply 4 by 5. Here we need to make 5 as 20, so we multiply by 4. Okay, then x into 3. How to write x into 3? X into 3 is 3x. 3x by 6 minus 2x by 6 is equal to 5 by 20 plus 4 by 20. Then 3x minus 2x by 6. Then we know denominator is same. So it is possible to subtract 3x and 2x. 3x minus 2x is 1x. 1x means x. X by 6 is equal to 5 by 20 plus 4 by 20. Denominator is same. So it is possible to add the numerator. 5 plus 4. 9. 9 by 20. So next we need to transpose by 6 to the side of 9 by 20 because we need to find the value of x. Therefore x is equal to 9 by 20 is a by 6, then it changes as into 6. Correct? Then here is possible to reduce by 6 and 20 by 2. Then how many times? 3 times. Here 10 times. Correct? Then what do you get the value of x? Therefore, the value of x is equal to 9 into 3. 27 by 10. Then value of x is equal to 27 by 10. It's not possible to reduce, so we keep the value of x is equal to 27 by 10. Then now I think you got this idea. Okay, what is the difference of first question and second question? Here the fraction is separate. If we divide the variable containing term separately and non-containing term separately, so it's possible to take together like this. Okay, it's possible to transpose variables at a time in the side one side and the non-containing term the other side. Is it clear? Next we doing the next question. The question is solve x minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 5. Okay, then this one is the form of the first, correct? Because it's not possible to take the x term and the not containing term separately in the one side of equality sign. അല്ലേ, ഇവിടെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല, എക്സിനെയും എക്സ് ഇല്ലാത്തതിനെയും നമുക്ക് ഓരോരോ സൈഡിലേക്ക് പെട്ടെന്ന് ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്തെടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റില്ല. വൈ? ബിക്കോസ് is commonly divided by the denominator. അല്ലേ, എക്സ് ഉള്ളതിനെയും ഇല്ലാത്തതിനെയും വാരിയബിൾ ഉള്ളതിനെയും ഇല്ലാത്തതിനെയും കോമൺ ആയിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Correct? So how do we start? We starting from the first. How to? X minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 5. X minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 5. Here there is no term other than the fractions. അല്ലേ, ഇവിടെ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ അല്ലാത്ത മറ്റൊരു ടേം +1 +2 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഹോൾ നമ്പർ ടൈപ്പ് ഇല്ല. Then we have the both side of equalities and only the one term that the terms are in the form of fraction. അല്ലേ, ഇക്വാളിറ്റീസ് അതിന്റെ രണ്ട് സൈഡിലും രണ്ട് ടേമും എന്ത് ഫോമിലാണ് ഉള്ളത്? ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ഫോമിലാണ് ഉള്ളത്. Is directly is in the form of fraction. Correct? So the next step is the cross multiplication. Then the both side of equality sign is contained in the fraction form. Then what is next? Cross multiplication. Then 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. Then 5 into x minus 5. How to multiply? Expand the bracket. 5 into x, 5x. Minus 5 into 5, 25. Is equal to 3 into x, 3x. Minus 3 into 3, 9. Then we take the numbers on the other side and the variables on the other side, variable containing term on the other side. Before that I change like this: 5x plus minus 25 is equal to 3x plus minus 9. So next step I transpose 3x to the side of 5x and minus 25 to the side of minus 9. So what is next? 5x minus 3x is equal to, what is remaining here? Minus 9. It's a plus minus 25. When what is the changes? Minus 25. Then 5x minus 3x is 2x. 2x is equal to minus 9 plus 25. Minus 9 plus 25. Correct? It's a plus minus then is plus 25. Then 2x is equal to, what is minus 9 plus 25? Both are in the different signs, so we subtract 25 and 9. What do you get? That one is 16. Then 2x is equal to 16. Therefore x is equal to 16 by 2 is equal to 8. So here, what is the value of x? The value of x is equal to 8. Okay, I think you got it, these ideas. The next one is in the form of solve. m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Okay, then here we commonly divide the term containing the variable and non-containing term. Correct? Here also. So here also is not possible to take the first steps, the variables on one side. It's not possible to transpose variables in one side and non-containing term in the other side at a time. Correct? Before that we need some works. And what is the difference? We starting from the question how? What is the question? m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Then what is the difference of this? Here in the both side of equalities and not only the fraction term. Here we have other term also in the form of whole number. Correct? ഇവിടെ ഇക്വാളിറ്റീസിന്റെ രണ്ട് സൈഡിലും വെറും ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ മാത്രമല്ല ഉള്ളത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് നേരിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല, ക്രോസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഏത് അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇൻ ദ ഫോം m and 1 are additionally there, correct? Is only m minus 1 by 2 and m minus 2 by 3, then is possible to cross multiply. Here is not possible because m is a whole number form and 1 is also in the whole number, correct? Not only in the form of fraction, then is not possible to cross multiply directly. Then what is next? Next we make this one, we do the works in the left side, we do the work in the right side. Okay, for that first we make this one in the form of fraction by 1, here also by 1. Then what is the, we need to make the denominator 1 as in the form of 2. നമ്മൾ ഇതിനെ എന്താക്കണം, denominator equal ആക്കണം for the subtraction. Then what is next? We multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2. Here we multiply both numerator and denominator by 3 for equalizing the denominator. Okay, denominator equal ആക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ 2 കൊണ്ടും ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ എത്ര കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യും മക്കളെ, 3 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യും. So what is the changes? 2m into 2, m into 2 by 1 into 2 minus m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 into 3 by 1 into 3 minus m minus 2 by 3. Here m minus 2 is a single term. Okay, the more than one term is using there, we put in the bracket. Okay, then m into 2 is 2m minus 2m by 2 minus m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 3 minus m minus 2 by 3. Okay, then the denominators are equal in the both sides, so we subtracting the numerator. Then what is the next? 2m. Here the minus is common for m and minus 1, so we just expand the bracket. Minus into m minus m minus into minus 1 is plus 1 by 2. Okay, ഇവിടെ പ്ലസ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ആ പ്രശ്നമില്ല, ഇവിടെ പ്ലസ് അല്ല, ഇവിടെ വരുന്ന സിമ്പൽ മൈനസ് ആണെങ്കിൽ എല്ലായ്പ്പോഴും എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, ഈ മൈനസ് കൊണ്ട് പുറത്തുള്ള ഈ മൈനസ് കൊണ്ട് ഈ ബ്രാക്കറ്റിനുള്ളിൽ വരുന്ന കോമണിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. മൈനസ് ഇൻറ്റു എം ഈസ് മൈനസ് എം, minus into minus 1 is plus 1. Okay, is it plus, there is no problem, you do the directly. Okay, otherwise you must expand the bracket like this. Is equal to 3, then expand it, minus into m, minus into m is minus m, minus minus 2 is plus 2 by 3. Then 2m minus m, what is 2m minus m? 2m minus m is m. Then there is no other number added to 1, so is plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? Is 5. There is no other term of m is not so is not possible to subtract, then is minus m remaining, minus m by 3. Okay, 2m plus 2m minus m is 1m. There is no number to add it 1, so 1 plus 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. There is no term to subtract m. There is no other term is here containing the variable m. So it's not possible to subtract, then is minus m remaining, minus m by 3. Okay, then now we got it the both side of equalities and only the fraction. അല്ലേ, ഇപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് കിട്ടി നമ്മളെ, രണ്ട് സൈഡിലും ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ മാത്രം കിട്ടി. So what is the next? The next step is cross multiplication. Then m plus 1 into 3 is equal to 2 into 5 minus m. Then what is next? Therefore 3 into m plus 1 is equal to 2 into 5 minus m. The next, expand the bracket. 3 into m, 3m plus 3 is equal to 2 into 5, 10 minus 2 into m, 2m. Correct? Then next we take the variables in one side, numbers on the other side. Then 3m is the bigger one, so I take the 2m to the side of 3m. Then we transpose minus 2m to the side of 3m is plus 2m. 3m plus 2m is equal to 10 minus 3. 3m plus 2m is 5m is equal to 10 minus 3, 7. Therefore, m is equal to 7 by 5. So, what is the value of m? The value of m is equal to 7 by 5. So, clear? Next, we doing the next step of the question. The question is like this: simplify and solve the following equations. Okay, simplify and solve the following. First question: 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. Then what is the question? Simplify. Simplify means to make this equation in the form of reduce. To make the reducible form, then after find the value of y. That is simplify and solve. ആദ്യം ഇതിനെ ചെറിയ ഒരു ഫോമിലേക്ക് മാറ്റുക, എന്നിട്ട് അതിൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മൾ ചെറിയ ഒരു ഇക്വേഷൻ ആക്കുക, എന്നിട്ട് അതിൽ നിന്ന് ഏതിന്റെ വാല്യൂ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക, y യുടെ വാല്യൂ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. അതാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. It's easy one. Then how to we do? First we expand the bracket. Okay, expand the bracket. 15 into y. 15 into y is 15y. Okay, 15y minus 15 into 20 is 60. Minus 2 into y, minus 2, not only 2, minus 2 into y, minus 2y. Minus 2 into minus 9, what is minus 2 into minus 9 is plus 18 plus 5 into y, 5y. 5 into 6, 30 is equal to 0. Okay, we just expand the bracket. In the time of expansion, you just consider this sign as the sign of number and this also sign of the number. Then minus 2 into y, minus 2y, minus 2 into minus 9 is plus 18. Okay, then next we have the so many terms, the y and so many terms in the constants. So we add first the term containing the variable. First we add the term containing the variable together. So we check only for the y terms. Okay, 15y minus 2y. What is 15y minus 2y? 15y minus 2y is 13y. 13y plus 5y. What is 13y plus 5y? Is 18y. Okay, 18y. Okay, what is the next? We add first the term containing the variable. 15y minus 2y is 13y. 13y plus 5y is 18y. Next we add the term not containing the variable. What are they? Minus 60, 80 and 30. Then minus 60 plus 18. Minus 60 plus 18. Both are different sign. So we subtract 60 minus 18. What is 16? 60 minus 18. 60 minus 80 is 42. Correct? 42. What is the sign of 42? The sign of 42 is minus because 60 is bigger. Then minus 42. Minus 42 plus 30. What is minus 32 plus minus 42 plus 30? Minus 42 plus 30 is minus 12. Is equal to 0. The next step, we transpose the variable not containing term in the right side of equality sign. Then what is the changes? 18y is equal to 0 plus 12. Then 18y is equal to 12. Therefore, y is equal to 12 by 18. 12 by 18 is not possible to divide, so we are reducing by 6. Then what do you get? If 2 times and in 18 3 times, so the value of y is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, the value of y is equal to 2 by 3. The next one more question at the same time. What is that? 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 70. Then we know what is the first steps. Expand the bracket. Okay, then 3 into 5z is 15z. 3 into 5z is 15z. 3 into minus 7. What is 3 into minus 7? 3 into minus 7 is minus 21. minus 21. The next minus 2 into 9 z. What is minus 2 into 9 z? Is minus 18 z. Minus 2 into minus 11. What is minus 2 into minus 11? That one is plus 22. Is equal to 4 into 8z. 4 into 8z is 32z. Minus 4 into minus 13. 4 into minus 13 is minus 52. Then minus 17 is separate, so minus 7. Then first we check in the one side, the LHS, how many terms containing the variable? 2 terms. How many term is not containing the variable? That is also 2. So we adding first in the one side of the equality sign the term containing the variable 15z minus 18z. What is 15z minus 18z? That one is minus 3z. Okay, minus 3z. Minus 21 plus 22. What is minus 21 plus 22? That one is plus 1. Is equal to. Here only one term containing the variable, so it's not possible to add because only one term is there. Then 32 such. The next we need to, here we have the term non-containing the variable. Two term is non-containing the variable, minus 52 and minus 17. So we add minus 52 minus 17 is equal to minus 69. Minus 69. Correct? The next, the same. What is the next? We take the variables containing term in one side and non-containing term in the other side. Here 32 set is bigger one, so I transpose minus 32 set in the side of minus 3 set in the side of 32 set. Okay, then what is the changes? If I transpose minus 3 set in the side of 32 set, we need to transpose minus 69 in the side of 1. So 1 is a minus 69 is plus 69 is equal to 32 set, then it's a plus, we are adding here, then minus 3 set, correct, minus 3 set, then 70 is equal to 32 set plus 3 set, then 70 is equal to 35 set. Therefore, Z is equal to, we transpose the 35 in the side of 70. What is the changes? 70 divided by 35. So, what is the answer of 70 divided by 35? That one is 2. So, the value of Z is equal to 2. Okay. This is the idea of simplify and solve the equation. The idea is clear. It's very easy. Am I right?